Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is another rare ceiling fan. This video is of this BG Harcroft branded ceiling fan. I've never heard of it before, I've never seen one before. It does not have the nut in the motor, there's no option for that. As you can see, it's literally just plain smooth. There's a slight little indent there, but nothing for a nut. This fan actually has a Martech model number of CF4, something like that, compared to the other Mistral TATs, which don't have that. They get a TAT label. This fan's a little bit slow, but nothing compared to the Evergo over there, which we just filmed, which is ridiculously slow. It did not come with its original controller, but it is on this Seabreeze controller, and it does handle the speeds quite well. So we'll start off on low. Oh yeah, I turned that off. Yeah, pretty slow startup, but when it gets going, it gets going. Some filthy desk fans, I need to get around to restoring that, although not really much you can do. Somehow still got the switch. I do have to make videos of some of these fans actually. While that speeds up, I might show you some of them. Clipsal, the fans over there. Yeah. This is a Mistral here. Very dirty. Need to clean that too. Alright, that's probably about as fast as low speed gets. So we'll boost it up to speed 2. It does have a bit of bearing noise, which you'll hear. Right now it's wobbling. I will balance it eventually anyways, but right now I'm not really too concerned. It's just a wobble. Yeah, it weighs probably about the same as a Mistral TAT. This thing does blow a really good amount of air if you're directly under it, but if I'm over here I can't feel anything. Not much of an increase there. The door's shut. The light's on. Yeah, I'll put it on high. No idea what that noise is. Could be anything. Let's have a look at that later. Could be the bearings. I might not even need new capacitor for now, actually. And there it is. Thanks for watching.